I'ma show the other side, yeah. Want me to grab you by your neck, I can tell and make you. Oh, girl, it ain't working unless you're sweating now. Arch your back, girl, arch your back, girl. Meet me upstairs so I can get upstairs. Leave that teddy on, take them panties off like straight say. I can't help but wait. Got that oven preheated, Trey invented, but he ain't teach you how to. On your back now. Oh.
Nah, normally I don't do this, but I'm doing.
Which one of y'all?
I'm sorry.
Which two of y'all? Which two of y'all going home with me when I get you to the crib? I'ma lay you out on the bed. Girl, what you think? Girl, what you think? Girl, what you think? Girl, what you think? I'll love it up in the sky. Introduce you to the mile high. Girl, you gon' think. Girl, you gon' think. But I'm sure we'll meet again some sunny day.
Y estos son los parlantes que justo necesitaba para transmitir el sonido de este controlador, y realmente me han encantado. Muy buena su potencia, justo para un espacio pequeño, cerrado.
Producer, so if I can do it, you can do it too. They were really great.
be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello,